Welcome to AlphaCars and Motorcycles. I will let this customer introduce himself.
Hey everyone, my name is Frank. I've been introduced to AlphaCars thanks to YouTube. And what really caught my interest was this bike right here that you all posted, I don't know, like a week ago?
Yep.
It really caught my eye, and I've been really looking to upgrade. I had a Triumph Speed 400, and the T120 is just got that really nice retro look, retro modern, with everything that I wanted in a upgraded bike. And so once I saw this one pop up with all the mods and kits, and the video was extremely helpful. You guys were very detailed in what you provided. I knew I just had to come down and take a look at it. And Dimitri, you were here, and I spoke with you probably for what, like a few minutes, and we went into all the great details about this bike. And before I knew it, I was doing a test ride, and that was it. I was sold.
Yeah. Well, first of all, thank you for your business. Thank you for letting us have your awesome bike. You did a great job with it. There are tons of cool accessories and awesome service. So thank you for that. And yeah, when I was showing you this bike, anytime we don't do road tests on the public road, but we do around the building, I always take the bike around the building myself. When I crank that road a little bit, I'm like, oh my God, I can see why Frank is here to check out that bike. So again, thank you for your business. How was your purchasing experience between finding the vehicle, interaction during the showing, and then of course the paperwork?
Super smooth. So you all were extremely helpful. I think I found help within the first maybe 15 to 30 seconds when I got here. You all, I was greeted by a few members of the team that day. And then before I knew it, I was in, again, a deep conversation with you about this bike, and I was already deciding I was going to purchase it. So, and the paperwork process, a breeze. So no stress at all working with you all.
Well, again, thanks for your business, and we thank our viewers for viewing this video. Please consider sharing, subscribing, and let us know which videos you like by clicking that like button. Thank you, Frank.